Already we have discussed. Can anyone tell what is the distance between two hydrants?
Maximum 60 ना sir? External hydrant ना?
हाँ external का बोलो पहले.
हाँ.
60. Condition क्या है?
60.
Sorry?
Order hazard के लिए 60 maximum 60.
Right.
60 meter. Okay. This one hose length is 15. Can connect to the hose 30 and
I think
two.
this point already we have discussed. You need to revisit all the hydrant points once. Okay. External hydrant we have mentioned clearly. What is the distance requirement? Right. This we have discussed or not?
Right. I hazard 30 meter.
The hazard you will change.
If you need 100 hydrants, this area will be more.
Obviously.
Okay.
So here, very important point. At last pink hydrant, you need to maintain minimum 3.5 bar pressure. So here you can get pressure at the hydraulic, okay, remote hydrant at the highest hydrant shall not be less than 3.5 bar. Minimum 3.5 bar. And your overall system should not be, the pressure at the hydrant shall not exceed 7 bar. Minimum is 3.5 bar, maximum is 7 bar. I think these also we discussed.
बट हम लोग तो 9 kg मेंटेन करते हैं एवरीवेयर.
वो एक ही हाइड्रेंट का बोल रहा हूँ, एक ही हाइड्रेंट का 7 मेंटेन करना है. ठीक है. It is mentioned, you can go through. कितना प्रेशर है, क्या है, वो वर्किंग प्रेशर है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है एफएससी. On the 4-way.
Is there any norms for Jackie pump also?
Huh?
Is there any norms for Jackie pump also, minimum and maximum?
Capacity or what exactly?
Pressure. Jackie pump.
Pressure. See, pressure, all the pump will have same. Yeah. All of the
Maximum
pump.
7.
So I think in pump calculation, I have given you the flow chart. What pressure it will start, what pressure it will off. Remember?
Yeah. That's why I asked Jackie pump can increase more pressure or say.
Here you just follow this operation. Pump pressure operation, you just follow this. You will get an idea. Clear? Next is 4-way, 2-way, where you will connect on all these things. All detail it is given. Water fed to fire tank, then overflow to the domestic tank. Okay, all this you know, right? This type of arrangement also you know. In riser we have seen. Anything new today I am telling? Anything new points? Mostly 80% are same, right?
We revise only.
Yeah, just revise it, everything it is covered here. This also I have shown you in the schematic one section. I have shown you. Okay, here this is the drain pipe and this is a sprinkler pipe. Here you'll have a butterfly valve, flow switch. Okay, and this is the drain connection, side glass. Okay, test valve, union or drain valve, everything. You want me to show? I can show. Riser किधर variation? Yes. Here you can see, right? Everything is covered in the course itself. Here. Hydrant. Okay. Hydrant wall. Praveen, are you there?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, okay. तो hydrant का भी कहाँ you'll use 100 mm single outlet hydrant where you'll use 150 with single outlet. All these things it is given based on the type of building and height. Okay, it is given. Just straight away follow this table. That's it. So here negative suction it is not allowed in the things. Sprinkler. Okay, where you have a false ceiling. From the false ceiling to true ceiling, height is more than 800 mm. You need to use automatic sprinkler, upright sprinkler, right? Upright sprinkler 800 mm. Whether I have told this or not?
Yes, sir. You told us last.
Next, the battery of the diesel engine operation frequency. We have calculated the what is the diesel engine storage. Okay, diesel storage basically. Okay, so exhaust pipe and all, you should see how you can practice safely take it from the ground level. To save it, the exhaust pipe of diesel engines shall be insulated and as per this engineering practice and taken to a safe location at ground level considering the back pressure. Okay, so all those things you can take it. Minimum, what is the pressure requirement for sprinkler? 12 mm. This also we have covered. Pump, you can go with VFD drive starter or with soft starter. ICV 4000 square meter or above.
Yes,
This
sir.
ICV where you'll put inside the pump room also you can put flow switch. You can monitor through fire alarm control panel. Already this is also discussed. Right. Some points are related to this architecture, staircase, width, all those things. Staircase precision again, where you need to give staircase precision in the fire tower. Okay, above 60-meter height, building height, it is given here. You can go through. Refuge area already discussed. Okay. Fire shaft above 15 meters should be planned. Refuge area already we discussed. Okay. Tanks will be supplemented with water supplies through one working and one standby pump capacity with two riser or alternate location feeding to such water fire tanks to not related that much. So here all those things, what all the pump capacity will have, all those things it is written here. Please go through this. Kitchen, what all the things you need to consider. Only go through the highlighted parts. Kitchen, what type of sprinkler you need to put. Gas leak detector you need to put in the kitchen because LPG gas will be there. So when any gas leakage, so that will give an alarm. If you have multi-level car parking, water curtain system is required. Which type of K factor? K23. Okay. So all these things is mentioned here. Please go through all the highlighted part. I will share this. You can go through. That's all basically NBC. Easy?
So this book you can share PDF.
Yes, yes, I'll share. All of you drop your mail ID, I'll share you to your mail ID. Okay, I'll share this mail ID. Just